Alright, get whatever I can on this. 9% left. Let's go. Where's that? Okay. Alright, a little higher view from that. Hope you're all with me. Sorry about the technical malfunctions. Thought I saw a couple things swimming in the water out there. Not sure. I'd run some buoys. About 4 million in this water body. Yep. My camera will be dying shortly, so I apologize. I'm going to try and get as much of this as I can in and prepare better for the next hike. GoPro use. Oh, they're scaling. There you go.
Careful, don't. Just don't. It was really that one spot. Like, why was it that one spot? I think we need a panorama.
I wish I got the rungs on there. Dang. Would have been dope. Good hike. Let's keep going. Dope. That is awesome. Give me this panorama. Give me this panorama. Where the fuck is it? Oh. This is all I'm gonna get. I know it.